Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to get promo code for TikTok Shop. So let's start with the first step, which is to open TikTok application and tap on the shop icon at the bottom navigation bar to access TikTok Shop. So from here you will see the main shopping homepage with featured products and deals. Next step is on the TikTok Shop homepage, look for the promo deals section. So you can also search for promo code in the search bar to find current promotions and vouchers offers. Next step is during checkout, find the promo code or voucher input field. So tap on it and carefully type in your promo code exactly as provided. Then tap apply. Next step is after applying the promo code, check your order summary to confirm the discount has been applied. So you will see the savings amount and the updated total price. Lastly is visit your coupon wallet to see all available and saved promo codes so you can collect coupons from TikTok Shop events, live streams, and seller pages for future use. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!